How to hide your online status on TikTok. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can hide your online status on your TikTok. So without any further ado, let us begin. First of all, open up your TikTok. After you open it up, go to the bottom right corner and go to your profile. After you're on your profile, tap on the three lines on the top right. Now you will see these three options. Go to settings and privacy. After you're on settings and privacy, under account, you will see privacy. Tap on privacy and right there you should see an option that says activity status. Now if you don't find it here, you will find it here. So let me go back here, go to inbox. On the top you will see inbox and a little drop down option. Tap on it and there you will see activity status. Now if this is turned on, your friends and other people will be able to see that you're online. They will be able to see this green dot besides your name. Now if you want to turn this off, just toggle this button off and now you have hidden your online status on TikTok. And it's that simple guys. That is how you hide your online status on TikTok. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye bye.